Hey guys, Mr. Chromewoody here. We're going to take a look at some more problems to help us with lesson 27. Let's take a look. The perimeter of a square is 1/5 meter. Find the length of each side in meters. I'm going to underline that. Each side in meters. Draw a picture to support your response. And how long is each side in centimeters? And our square is 1/5 meters, and our perimeter is 1/5 meter. So that means the perimeter, that means the sum of all its sides is equal to 1/5 meter. So if I was to draw my square, I don't know that side, but I know that if we add all those sides up, if we add this side, this side, this side, and this side together, that would equal 1/5 meter. So in order to find one of those sides, since we're dealing with a square, every side is equal, I need to take my 1/5 meter and I need to divide it by 4. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So, different ways we can solve this. I'm going to use my tried and true favorite method and make a tape diagram. I'm going to call this tape diagram one hole. But since we are dealing with 1/5 of a meter, not 1 whole meter, I'm going to divide this up into 5 parts. There, 5 parts. And we're only going to work with 1 part. So we're dealing with 1/5. Now I'm going to take my 1/5 of a meter and I'm going to divide that into 4 parts. Remember, 4 sides, 4 parts. Split there nicely, split there nicely, split there nicely. So we are only dealing with 1 of those 4 parts to figure out 1 side of our square. So if we split all these into 4 parts, we would find that the shaded area here is equal to 1/20 of a meter. So 1/5 divided by 4 is equal to 1/20. So the answer to question A is 1/20 of a meter. Now part B is asking for each side in centimeters. So what I need to do now is solve in centimeters. Centimeters, there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So I need to take my 1/20 and times it by 100. This is the same as 1 times 100 over 20, or 100 over 20. Since division and fraction are the same thing, 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. The answer to part B is 5 centimeters.